At Dara Switchboards, we love working with our customers, but what we really find rewarding is that they love working with us. No two projects are ever the same. That's why we approach every client requirement with a fresh approach. We take the time to understand the challenges that you face. Together, we'll map out the problems you need to overcome and find a solution that delivers the results you need. As an ISO 9000 accredited company, our customers can trust that they are in safe hands. Everything we do is fully compliant under Australian and New Zealand law, and our experienced design team and engineers are the best in the industry at what they do. Our knowledge, experience and certification mean that every project we are involved in, from a small 32 amps load centre to a 4000 amps motor control centre, is designed and delivered to get you powered up and on the move. We believe in solutions, not problems. Our staff are 100% focused on delivering the best switchboard solution for your project. With total control over the manufacturing cycle, the challenges you face can be managed by a single provider, giving you better control and understanding of project timelines and making your life much easier. When you have a custom requirement or tight deadline to get a new installation up and running, Dara Switchboards can deliver the products you need to get going. At Dara Switchboards, your priorities are our priorities. We know that your business operations require quick and efficient management to make things happen. With everything we need to create your custom product in our warehouses, you can be guaranteed the quickest turnaround time possible. From initial conversation through to delivery and installation, we work to deliver your project in the shortest time frame that can be achieved without compromising on quality. At Dara, we're constantly looking to the future, trying to understand what our clients will need. With dedicated R&D teams looking at innovation and efficiency, you're guaranteed to get the highest performing switchboards on the market. With a commitment to high quality design, a focus on working closely with our customers, our competitive market prices, and a commitment to delivering on time, you can rest assured that your project will receive the attention it deserves. Dara Switchboards, your one-stop shop for your switchboard needs.